you ready for today's adventure? Let's go!
Papa, why are you playing your guitar upside down?
Because I'm left-handed, just like you. If you practice, you can play too.
You'll be able to play this song.
Papa is going to teach Grandma Lela how to play the bass guitar. Papa is left-handed, but he plays a right-handed bass upside down. Grandma is right-handed and will be starting from the very beginning so we can learn right along with her. Let's see her first lesson. Thank you for watching CeeCee and her curious cousin Lexi. If you enjoyed today's adventure, you can hear more of our original music on the album Shrewd by Anthony & Company featuring Ida. Available on Apple Music and CD Baby. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for our next adventure.